Hi everyone, I'm Jacqueline, and I do the category management feature in this video. So let's go ahead and log in as the root. And you'll see here that now we can go into the admin tab, and then there's the BOLO category management tab here. So this is where we get to edit, add, delete, deactivate any of the categories in the system. So let's go ahead and try out the editing feature. So here we have the name, the fields. So once we click edit, we can either change certain fields, delete them, or create a new field. So let's go ahead and delete this yay field and create these test2 field, and we're going to make it not required. We'll go ahead and save it. When we click save, you'll see that it is now updated. So let's go ahead and try the deactivation. So again, we're taken to a confirmation page, confirm, and once we go back, we'll see that it is now deactivated. So once a category is deactivated, when we try to add a BOLO, that category will no longer show up in the list of categories to pick from. So as you can see, there is no test category here. When we go back to the admin tab, back to the BOLO category management, and we activate the category again, you'll see that when we go back to create a BOLO, that category is now on the list again. So that's one of the features that comes with deactivating the category. So now let's go ahead and try to delete it. So once we delete, we'll be taken to a confirmation page again. So we'll click confirm, and you'll see that it is no longer listed in the categories. So now when we go try to create a BOLO again, you'll see that again it is not on the list anymore since it has been deleted. So this has been the category management demo. Thank you for watching.